So now let's talk to a very special guest who is now in the studio, and we have been talking about her. She is doing excellent community work and talking on a very, very, very important topic. She is your guide actually to understanding what Medicare is, and I am talking about Kaushi Shah. Welcome, Kaushi, to Namaste Radio.
Thank you so much, Vanishka, for having me. Nice to meet you finally. Hello, Deep. How are you?
Good. How are you?
We are honored that for all that you've been doing for the community, and thank you so much for supporting Namaste Radio and making it to the studio today.
Thank you so much for having me. Of course, Namaste Radio is dear to my heart, especially working with your dad, Colonel. Happy Father's Day to him. I know you did a lovely song dedicated to him, so hopefully he's still listening. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Happy Father's Day to my husband. And thank you so much for having me. Really appreciate you guys having me and taking me on air.
Absolutely. So let's get started, and with the most important question: what is Medicare?
So Medicare is a federal insurance for people turning 65 or people that are 65, certain people younger with disabilities such as ESRD, which is a kidney disease. It is a great insurance to have once you are able to get that. There are a lot of options out there, but it is something for mostly elderly people.
I see. So we'll talk about that, the different options and ages that are involved. So
absolutely.
What are the 4 parts of Medicare?
Yeah, so when person gets Medicare, it's so confusing because you hear it on the radio, you see it on the newspaper, television, especially like Medicare Part A, Part B, Part C, Part D, Part G, N, E. There's so much. It's like an alphabet, But yeah, so the main part of the Medicare is the red, white, and blue card. It's a new card that launched 2 years ago. It has 11 characters with numbers and letters. It used to be your Social Security number back in the days, but now they changed it for the security purpose, so that's good. So the traditional Medicare comes with Part A, which is your hospital stay. It helps you pay for the hospital in the event you'll be hospitalized. So it is strictly your hospital stay, skilled nursing facility, and your Part B is your medical expense, like your doctor's visits, your outpatient procedures, your MRI, CT scan. And mostly when we're targeting our vulnerable ages, there's a lot of testing that they have to do, a lot of MRI, CT scan, and just visits to the doctors. So Part B covers your medical expense and your doctor's visit. However, when you have Medicare by itself, this is where it gets confusing that, I have my Medicare, I have my Part A, I have my Part B, I'm done. No, you're not done. It only covers 80%. So you're reliable for 20%. And I know that 20% sounds like a small number, but it's actually a big number.
Sure.
The hospital stay, it's like $1,484 per visit for 1 through 60 days. And then it keeps on accumulating. And unfortunately, it doesn't have a cap. So even just the hospital stay can it can be very costly on your end if you have just Medicare by itself. And then not to forget your Part B, which is your normal visit to the doctors. You're not covered at 100%. You have to pay 20%. And again, that 20% becomes a big number. Right. When you have to do MRI and CT scan, they are quite expensive, if they have to do it with contrast or 3D image. There's a lot of things that goes into it. So they become very costly. So when a person has A and B, there are other options that they can pursue. One of the options is Part C, which is a Medicare Advantage plan. It's when you get into that plan, definitely consult with an agent or someone like myself, because I will guide you through the whole process. I'm licensed and certified with a majority of the insurance company. So my benefit is to make sure you get the right benefits.
Sure.
You know, I'm all about yours because whatever's going to work for you is going to work for me. So I'll go through the whole list of if we're going through a Part C stage, I'll go through the whole stage of who's your doctor, who's your specialist, what medications are you taking. All this is very important because when you choose a Part C, it's all network based. So we have to make sure all your doctors, specialists, hospitals, they're all in the network. Also, if your medications are covered and at what tier they are covered too. Because a lot of people, they're like, oh, I'm बहुत healthy, I'm very healthy. I only take my blood pressure ki hai, cholesterol ki hai. But even those medicine, depending on the plan, they can have a cost to it. It can be minimal cost, but there is a cost to it.
Right.
And when you're doing this maintenance medicine, and if there's a cost to it every month, it can add up.
Yes.
So why not look at some other plan that might cover those medicine at a zero cost? And obviously, no-brainers, $0 is much better than minimal dollars too, you know?
Absolutely.
Especially if you're on a fixed income. So those are the important parts when you're taking the Part C is to consult with someone. Look at all your options. Don't get just stuck with one option that, oh, only this carrier. This is good. It might be good and it might not be good. There's so much out there. The other benefits of Part C is you also get a lot of incentives, a lot of extra benefits such as dental, such as vision, gym membership.
Oh, wow.
They include that too. Over-the-counter benefits, you know, where you can buy your OTC, such as like vitamins, Tylenols, and things like that. So you know, all that is important. And when I speak with a client, and if we're going to take a Part C as a route, I ask them, what is important to you? What is your health condition? They don't have to tell me their personal health history that I have this or that, but at least, you know, their doctor's wise, or I do go see a doctor quite a bit of time, or I don't go see a doctor. I just go see them once every 6 months or once a year. So then we kind of tailor a plan or tailor a company that's going to work for them in other avenues, such as the extra benefits. You know, they can maybe bank on dental, because obviously dental, unfortunately, is very expensive here.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things that we can look at for yourself that, you know, okay, I'm healthy. I don't need to concentrate too much on my medical, but I do want to get my teeth fixed, or I have root canal, or whatever that may be, or for your glasses, or you know what, I just want to go relax and enjoy the gym. You know?
Sure.
And that can, so it just, when you're taking a Part C, there is a lot that goes in it. It covers in network. You're also able to, a lot of people, they ask me that, am I going to not be able to travel? Like, you know, nowadays, unfortunately, the kids are elsewhere, you know, they're in different states. So that's important to a lot of my clients, that, oh, will I be able to stay 3 months or 6 months? And the kids are in New York, California, Florida, wherever they are. So then we kind of look into that too, that which carrier will offer that in and out of network service, which plan will offer that in and out of network service. When you do Plan C, it also comes in forms of HMOs and PPOs.
Sure.
So we'll talk about that what's going to benefit an individual client. So Part C, it goes a lot into it, a lot more depth.
And I'll take a quick break right here. We are in conversation with Kaushi Shah, our Medicare specialist, as I like to call her, and I'm very thankful that, you know, she's here today talking to us. She's a very busy lady, I know that, and this topic is very important. So we are so thankful that, you know, you took out time and you're here talking to us about it. It can be very overwhelming. So even if you're a person who needs it right away, or even if you have 10 years to go for it, this is the time that you start learning about it, understanding it. And she's there. So we'll continue this conversation, but we'll take a quick ad break and we'll be right back. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
Namaste Radio
on 99.5 FM.
Gotta get it. Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog. Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन्स पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं। Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
कौन हो तुम? रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं, नाम है
Namaste Radio.
Welcome back. This is Namaste Radio and we are in conversation with Kaushi Shah, a licensed sales agent, Medicare. Thank you again, Kaushi, for taking our time and talking to us today. So we've been talking about, what Medicare is, and then you explained to us about what are the 4 parts of Medicare, and I cannot emphasize the fact how important it is to have this conversation at this point. And even for me, through my parents, it's been a learning process, and talking to you, there's such great information. So now tell us, who is eligible to apply for Medicare, or like who gets it basically?
Yeah, so basically Medicare, like I said in the beginning, it is for people turning 65. So if you're approaching 65 age, you can start applying 3 months before your date of birth, 3 months after, or the month of your birthday. So you kind of get that 7-month period. But basically it's for people turning 65, and you can start exploring or applying for Medicare 3 months prior to that.
Oh yes, I would definitely recommend it, because the way, we've seen, I've heard so many people tell me it's so overwhelming. So working on it earlier and trying to understand it is the key, I guess.
Yeah, definitely work on it earlier, because I help a lot of clients apply for Medicare from the beginning, and quite a few people have gotten their Medicare, and it's supposed to start July, and some haven't, so it's like, and then if I don't have the Medicare number, then we can start their policy for that following month. You have to wait one more month. So it's kind of always start early, or at least
Absolutely.
Start to learn about it.
And even if you're a young person hearing us or watching us on Facebook Live right now, share this information with someone you know who may need it. A lot of people sometimes don't know that, okay, this is my option also. There are people who just don't know about it. So talk to them, and of course share with them Kaushisha's contact details. She'll be more than happy to talk to them and tell them about it. But it's talking about we've figured out who's eligible and what are the different kinds of or parts of Medicare. What is the process like? You said that it's typically you can apply 3 months before or till the end, but has there been any time when it takes like way longer than that? Or?
Yeah, especially in this pandemic. It's been taking extremely long time. All the Social Security office were closed. Now they're just starting to open. However, you cannot go to the Social Security office till you actually call and make an appointment. And people who have tried calling Social Security, they can validate this, that the phone just rings and rings and rings, and you're on hold for 2 hours, and then it gets disconnected. So please consult with an agent. There is no fee. There's no charge for my consultation. I will take you from the beginning till the end. And not only once I sign you up with a plan, I will be with you throughout the process. Once you're in the plan too, there's always going to be problem. Oh, this doctor doesn't take my insurance, or this is happening. So having an agent is something that's really important, because I'll guide you on how to apply for it, when to apply for it, and I will apply it for you if it's possible for me to apply, and then take you all the way to from the beginning to the end.
And that is something really important that you just said, is that you not only help them apply, but you also help them after they qualify and they get it, because these small questions always pop up.
Absolutely.
Even if it was a home insurance for me, taking the insurance was easy, but after that was the problem, and then calling the agent is always, that's important if the agent is talking to you even after that.
Yeah, exactly. Like, homeowner insurance policy, we all buy it, right? Myself being an insurance agent, I still, don't know much about them. Like, okay, we have the policy, it's somewhere there, it's in the email or it's in the form, but having somebody picking that phone up and calling, like I get text Saturday, Sunday evenings, and I'll always respond that, okay, this is what the answer is, because a lot of time I know the answers, and if I need to look up and give you some exact information according to your policy, I'll do that. But at least having someone like me will be on your side, whether it's Saturday or Sunday, or whether it's 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock at night,
Sure.
So that's important.
And one thing I can tell about Kaushi is that she's very good with text messages. I love text messages. I love to do most of my work. And she's always so quick. I mean, I send her a message and boom, I get a reply. So I love that about you.
Thank you. Text message helps me because we all forget, and this way I can go back and kind of look at it and answer it. So it does help.
Absolutely. So tell me, is there any kind of a penalty for not signing up for Medicare? Like once you turn 65, what if like somebody doesn't sign up?
Yeah, so this is a very important question, especially in this day and age. A lot of our youngsters are still working. Yeah, they're turning 65, but they're still working. They're still healthy, and they want to work for another 2-3 years or whatever life takes them. So if the rule is, if you have worked 10 years or accumulated 40 quarter hours, you'll get Medicare Part A without any fees. You have to apply for it unless you're withdrawing Social Security, then you get automatically. So the question comes in that, I'm still working. Do I get Medicare? Do I stay with an employer's insurance? And this is really, really important, especially for a lot of our clients in this day and age, because they are working and they are healthy. So when they call me, I give them the answer that if you take Medicare, according to your income and everything, this is what your cost will be.
Okay.
What is your cost with your employers? And then we'll go over that, okay, my employer's insurance is costing this much, my Medicare is costing this much. Employer's insurance most of the time have deductibles. Medicare's have deductible on certain plans, but it's minimal. So we kind of weigh out all the options that, do I do Medicare? Do I do employer's insurance? And if I don't do anything, what is my penalty? So the penalty will come in if you have Medicare, and if you did not buy Part B or Part D, then you will have penalty. So therefore, that's when we have to make sure you have some other credible coverage, whether be it employers or whether be it private insurance, that's credible coverage. ACA is also considered as a credible coverage. So
basically, they want to know that you have health insurance.
Health insurance. So that's the only way there will not be any penalty if you're getting Medicare at 65. You must get Part B or Part D. Or have a credible coverage elsewhere.
And you said it right. A lot of people, I mean, these days, my parents and my uncles and aunts, everybody I know, they're all about 65. And all of them are working. I mean, people are working till, even with their own businesses, they're working till 80 and 82. So
yeah, and it's good to work. You know, I think, keep your mind, body active, and it's awesome, But having a knowledge what you're getting into is
important.
It's very important. And just kind of knowing, okay, let's go with Medicare or go with the employers, whichever your choice is. But at least I'll be there to tell you that this is what it is. And if you know the answer, then it's easier to make that decision than why you're going whichever way you're going.
Sure. So once they've selected whichever way they want to go, during that process of selection or changing any kind of, healthcare plans from maybe a regular, like a Blue Cross Blue Shield to Medicare, if they decide in between they've left their jobs and now it's like, okay, now I qualify and I can change. So how is that process? Like, can they change the plans right away, or do they have to wait till the end of the, the annual enrollment plan time?
Yeah. So if they haven't, if they don't have Medicare Part B, there is a waiting period unless you're getting off the group insurance or your employer's coverage. Then you can apply and get it the month that you want the Medicare to be active, the Part B. But if you're already on a Medicare plan, this year the CMS is letting you change the plan. So, it all depends on the situation. Please call me if you're on a Medicare plan. It's all depend on the situation. I'll have to see if I'm able to switch you. If I am, then we can talk about other plan, but it just depends on the enrollment period and the SEP, like special enrollment period.
Wonderful. So we are again in conversation with Kaushi Shah. We'll take a quick ad break here. But before we take that ad break, I want to remind everybody about one place, which is Maharaja Bhog. The number is 713-771-2464. Unlimited premium thali, and they do have the Amras Puri. So definitely go try it out there. And we love Maharaja Bhog, and we are so thankful to them for all their support. Again, 713-771-2464, and follow them on Facebook. We'll be right back talking to Kaushi Shah before we let her go today. Stay tuned.
Namaste Radio on 99.5 FM. Keep it locked.
आज अमित ने अपना वैक्सीनेशन करवाया क्योंकि सब लोग 12 इयर्स एंड ओल्डर कोविड-19 वैक्सीन के लिए एलिजिबल हैं। अमित ने फिर वैक्सीन का लोकेशन पता किया अपनी बहन के लिए। उसकी बहन ने अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को लिंक भेजा, जिसने अपनी बिजनेस पार्टनर को रिमाइंड किया, हु देन गॉट एन अपॉइंटमेंट अपने भाई के लिए, जिन्होंने शेयर किया अपने, वेल, यू गेट द आइडिया। अब वक्त आया है टू लेट आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली नो कि वैक्सीन्स प्रिवेंट नियरली 100% ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशंस एंड डेथ्स फ्रॉम कोविड। We can do this. अपने निकट वैक्सीन्स पाने के लिए आज ही vaccines.gov पर जाएं. Paid for by the US Department of Health and Human Services.
Working from home? Cooking in the kitchen? Working out? Or just need something to listen to at home? Now listen to Namaste Radio on Amazon Alexa products.
Hey Alexa, enable Namaste Radio Live.
That's right. Listen to us anywhere in the world on Amazon Alexa products.
Back here on Namaste Radio in conversation with Kaushi Shah. She's live here in the studio. This part right here, the last segment of today's show, is brought to you by PSPC Bookkeeping Services. The deadline was a few days ago, but if you are one of those that still need to get it done, need an extension, you've had plenty of extensions, but If you still need one, contact PSPC Bookkeeping Services at 281-580-8700. That's 281-580-8700. Ask for Pradeep or Sid. Or if you're looking for a new company formation, startup, or any tax-related questions, call them at 281-580-8700 and tell them you heard it here on Namaste Radio.
There's always someone who needs that extension. Please, ek
Yeah.
din aur, 2 din aur.
It's never enough, right?
Always. But yes, again, talking about Medicare and talking to Koshisha, it's been so much fun, and I'm actually meeting her for the first time, and such a fun-loving person and easy to
you.
talk to. So Koshi, tell us, why do you always I feel, but there are a lot of people that think that it's okay, I'll just do it myself, I'll file for the Medicare myself, and there are people who think that way, but they don't. When they get to it, they realize how overwhelming it is. So tell us, why do you always say, and I always hear even my dad told me that, always we need to have a professional person when we are filing for Medicare.
It's not just when Medicare, like jo jiski job hai unko karne do.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I agree.
So it's important to have an agent because we'll guide you. We know all the ins and outs. I mean, even having all the numbers, for us, it's overwhelming, calling Social Security, calling the insurance company, and sometimes it's hard for us. So imagine for people that don't have any context, don't know the rules, don't even know if they did it right or wrong, So it's very important to have a Medicare agent, especially someone that speaks your language. I speak Hindi, I speak Gujarati, and the comfort zone is there कि अपनी भाषा में बात करते हैं. Like when I speak with all my clients, I speak in Hindi, Gujarati, whatever they're comfortable in, and kind of guide them, like आपको कौन सा डॉक्टर चाहिए. And they get so surprised, like, oh, okay, हमें हमारा देसी. I mean, even though especially in Sugarland, there's a lot of desi doctors, but just kind of offering that, okay, ये 2-3 आपके पास choices है, ये desi doctors है. If they're women, I try to give them a women doctor. So all that comfort zone is there. Picking up the phone and calling me and speaking to me in Hindi कि मुझे इसकी प्रॉब्लम है, ENT की कोई नंबर मुझे भेज दो, या मेरे बेटे को भेज दो, या बेटी को भेज दो. At least the folks are able to handle their Medicare insurance themselves rather than depending on the kids, because kids are so busy nowadays and they can't call, and unki appointments reh jati hai. So having an agent all the way, even if you can do it yourself, it's still overwhelming. Second, it's very confusing, and you will not get any letter from Social Security. You won't even know if you applied it right or wrong.
Right.
You're just waiting and waiting and waiting कि मैंने apply किया है कि नहीं, submit हुआ है कि नहीं. So having an agent is very important. At least, I'll know that, okay, we've applied. We'll give you the confirmation number. We can check, even if you don't get the letter in the mail or it got lost, we have a way to check that it's been approved. What is your Medicare number? Also for us, it takes time, but there are some advantages, absolutely. So do take up on an agent. Please call me. My service is free as far as Medicare. And then the other reason it's important is when you do it yourself, you can only see 1 or 2 plan that you think it's important, or you heard about it, or your friends have it. When you speak with me, I'll tell you कि ये सारे plan हैं. इसमें आपके सारे doctors है या नहीं है, आपकी दवाई क्या है. So you're getting so much more for nothing. Why wouldn't you take that?
Absolutely. And like she said, there is no charge for that.
There's no charge. Absolutely, there's no charge. Call me anytime, text me anytime. I will respond. I get paid from the company. मैं आपसे कुछ नहीं मांगूंगी. I love this job because you know what? Like a lot of my clients, itni duai dete hai, itni blessing dete hai, and that's all we want, in life. That's it. So that's it. Just I'll be on your side. I'll help you apply for Medicare. I'll help you choose whichever route you're gonna go. If you're gonna go with a supplement, Part C, which if you're doing Part C, which carrier, we'll go through all of it. All of it with $0 fee.
Wonderful. And what else can we ask for from starting till the end, and even after you have the, after you have Medicare, any questions आपको आते हैं, pop up करते हैं, doctors भी अगर हैं नहीं हैं, Kaushisha is going to help you with everything, and there's no consultation fee. So don't wait. Pick up that phone, and Kaushi is going to give her number right now to all of us.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. I appreciate everybody's time. Thank you so much, Vanishka, for taking me on air.
Absolutely.
It's lovely meeting you. You're
Same
a very
here.
wonderful person. Thank you. And yeah, please give me a call. Like I said, service is completely free from head to start in terms of Medicare, employer's insurance, whichever way you want to go with. My phone number here is 832-282-3515. I also have a Facebook that you can connect me on. So please, reach out to me. Again, 832-282-3515.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kaushi, for coming out today and talking to us and enlightening actually both Deep and me also about it. Because, like I said, I have family, I have parents at that age, I have uncle, aunties at that age, and they all have questions. So it's so important for them, everybody who's been listening, to know about all of this. So thank you so much. And again, her number is 832-282-3515, and definitely follow Kaushisha on Facebook. You will see a lot of information, but do not hesitate. If you don't want to call, just even text her. I promise you that she's so quick with text messages, she will respond. So 832-282-3515, Kaushisha for Medicare. Call her. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Namaste Radio, for taking me on air. Thank you, Vanishka. Thank you, Deep. It was wonderful, great experience, loved it, and all the best wishes. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, and thank you for the treat. She got us some nice goodies, so thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll listen to the song and we'll be back.